Conjunctions join two or more words, phrases, or clauses, sentences. They are divided in three: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. We went to the theater and enjoyed the movie. We went to the theater but could not get tickets for the movie. We went to the theater for watching movie. Most commonly used subordinating conjunctions are: the correlative conjunctions are not only but also, either or, neither nor, both and, not but, whether or. The proper usage of conjunctions: even if and even though, in spite of and despite. The rule is simple. Let us see the next part of speech: conjunctions. Conjunctions join two or more words, phrases, or clauses, sentences. For example, look at these sentences. I like cricket and football. Two words. The pen must be on the table or in the bag. Two phrases, like on the table is one phrase, in the bag is another phrase. We are on time, but the teacher was not available there. So here two different sentences are joined by the conjunction but. We are on time, different sentence. The teacher was not available there, different sentence. As joined by but, they become clauses and they are joined together. The most common conjunctions are and, but, or. They play very crucial role in sentence constructions, in like simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. The types of conjunctions, they are divided in three: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Coordinating, they describe equal importance: for and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. So these are the coordinating conjunctions in English language, and they are known as fanboys. So each first letter of each conjunction is taken: fanboys, fanboys. So these are the coordinating conjunctions. Subordinating, they show dependency: when, unless, if, because. Correlative, they correlate and used in pairs. For example, as well as, either or, not only but also, etc. Let us see those types in details now. The coordinating conjunctions, the job of these coordinating conjunction is to join two words, phrases, or dependent clauses, two dependent clauses which are parallel in structure, equal in importance. For example, again, these are these fanboys we have just talked. We went, look at the examples. We went to the theater and enjoyed the movie. We went to the theater but could not get tickets for the movie. We went to the theater for watching movie. So independent clauses are joined with these coordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions. A subordinating conjunction joins elements of an unparalleled sentence structure or unequal in importance, unequal sentences. These elements are usually a dependent clause and an independent clause. Most commonly used subordinating conjunctions are after, how, than, when, although, if, that, where, and so on, as much as, unless, because, provided, and so on. Look at the examples now. If it rains today, we won't go for morning walk. So we won't go for morning walk can have some meaning, but if it rains today in isolation does not make any meaning. That's why this is a dependent clause on this independent clause. So if is subordinating conjunction. This is a subordinating clause. We will see more about those clauses when we are looking at the types of sentences. He called me when I was at work. So when I was at work is a subordinating clause which is dependent on he called me. Correlative conjunctions. A correlative conjunction uses a set of words in a parallel sentence structure to show a contrast or to compare the equal parts of a sentence. The words of correlative conjunctions have a special connection between them. The correlative conjunctions are not only but also, either or, neither nor, both and, not but, whether or. Examples: neither he nor his brother can play well. He not only completed the course but also earned certificates. This restaurant serves both Indian and Italian food. Let us look at the usage of conjunctions now, the proper usage of conjunctions. Even if and even though. Even though the movie is boring, people will go and watch. Here the movie is boring, but still people will go and watch because the movie is of their favorite, let us say, actor or actresses. In second sentence, even if the movie is boring, people will go and watch it. So in first, even though, in first sentence, movie is boring is final, it is known. But in second, even if the movie is boring, people will go and watch. It is not sure whether movie is boring or not, but people will definitely go and watch that particular movie. Because and so, for showing reasons. The simple rule is, let us see the examples first. I had to take back the charge from her because she was very casual. She was very casual, so I had to take back the charge from her. So the rule is effect and cause. If you talk about effect first, then you use because to show cause. If you use cause and effect, then you use so. So here effect is I had to take back the charge from her. Why? Because she was very casual. Here what is the cause? She was very casual, so I have to, the effect is, so I had to take this decision to take back the charge from her. In spite of and despite, the rule is simple. In spite of injury, he played well in the finals. Despite injury, he played well in the finals. So we should not use despite of. Let us do this exercise now. Pause the video and just try to solve these in your notebook. Only answers are also fine. Dot dot, he eats, he tries to choose healthy food. I was ill, dot dot, I didn't go to work, so because. I'm very tired, dot dot, I have been working all day. We all will get there, dot dot, you do. I wanted to join you for the movie, dot dot, my father did not allow to. He talks to me, dot dot, he were my boss. Let us see the keys now, the answers. When he eats, he tries to choose healthy foods, not if he eats. All right. So I was ill, so I didn't go to work. So the cause and effect. I am very tired because I have been working all the day. So effect and then cause. So because. We will get there as soon as you do. I wanted to join you for the movie, but my father did not allow. He talks to me as if he were my boss.